Let's go party.
It's on the yacht.
Shake your My most natural state is when you call me and you say, Adiola, get up, let's go out. The way I would stand. This is what I'm wearing. I'm just going to enjoy the moment. Wow, the flowers falling. Spring breeze, summer.
Birgu.
A hungry woman's an angry woman.
See this life thing, yeah, it's all about understanding, bro. You gotta understand what you're doing.
Look how nice. Cute. Guys, so this is like the official start of this vlog. Guess who's getting married this week? I'm very excited because the next couple of days is going to be interesting. Very, very interesting because I have a couple of friends that are coming, and then we have like a lineup of activities for everybody. You're going to be seeing it in my civil wedding prep vlog, which would come next week. So this is going to be uploaded this Friday. Today's Sunday, by the way, the start of the week. If you are a new subscriber, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm very happy to have you here. I'm going to show you guys what I wore to church when I get back home in the afternoon. Most likely, I'm almost at church, by the way. Like I said, I am extremely late, which is sad. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys after church. But I love what I'm wearing. I'm wearing boo-boo. Boo-boo, la boo-boo. Our friends are coming in today. They're going to be landing very soon. This is like 1:30 p.m. And we are hanging out with them this evening. Every time there's an outing, you catch me there because that's where I thrive. That's where the woman in me comes out. That's where you see my real personality. I'm a chameleon. I change in so many ways, but my most natural state is when you call me and you say, Adiola, get up, let's go out. The way I would stand, the way I would rise. I'm so excited about today, not just this week, because the outfit I have put together, the outfit I curated for this week, they are chef's kiss. And I can't wait for you guys to see them and let me hear your thoughts. There's a lot of stuff to unpack, so grab your popcorn or get a glass of wine, sit down and start enjoying yourself. I'm going to be catching you guys later when I'm ready to head out. Guys, how do brides act? How am I supposed to act? Because right now I don't know how to behave. Like, I'm so shy. I don't know if you guys can see me. My friends have arrived. I'm hanging out now. We're just going to get boba tea and also go bowling. So this is my full look. I think we are looking very summery, springy, summery, shimmery. And that's the vibe, and I kind of love the vibe. The mojo I'm on for this week is superb. It's high. My energy is high. It's on 100, and I'm not going to allow any negative energy impact it. I really don't have anything to say to you guys other than to take you along with me on this journey of enjoyment. Let's go. We got the party tonight. There's like 1 million people there. Oh my gosh. And everyone is staring at me. Like, what the hell? Thank you. So, because you were not there, that's why they scored 2 more. Are you serious right now? go get lip gloss. I need it for my makeup this week. And if there's one thing about that lip gloss, it serves me so good. It's very nice, like very nice. So this is going to be like a quick stop to get the lip gloss. But let me show you guys where I'm at.
I've been having a lot of big feelings recently.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, I love it. Okay, let's go for this. That was fast. So now we are heading to L'Occitane. I need hand cream as well because the one I have already finished. Ladies, don't ever go out without using hand cream. It is an essential. Like, it is very, very, especially for this summer. You're just going to be looking, your hands are going to be looking cracky and they're going to be looking flaky if you don't use it. So I don't think any lady should be stepping out without their hand cream and also applying. So you apply your hand cream first and then you apply your sunscreen on it. So we're getting it from L'Occitane. They sell extremely good products.
Bad day, having a very anxious day. Very paranoid. Very stressed.
This L'Occitane hand cream, it's very good. Keeps your hand very smooth. So much.
I feel like today is the first day.
Guys, if I tell you that I've not had anything to eat all day, literally, just the bubble tea, that's all. I'm really, really hungry. I'm thinking maybe I should go get popcorn before we go for actual dinner. Because we just got to the bowling center and we're still gonna be here for like maybe 2 hours. A hungry woman is an angry woman, and I feel like when you're angry, you can't concentrate, and I plan to win, so I need to go get something to eat. This place is so kids coded that if you decide to play any game here, you're just trying to heal your inner child, basically. You can't beat me. Let's go, let's go, let's fucking go.
Hey,
I'm gonna go try that. For real, I'm gonna go try it, guys. We just left the game area, and just something is pushing me to go there. Let me go, you guys. Let me go do it. My fiance is begging me not to do it. He said, "Don't go break your hand." Guys, I am actually very interested. We're on our way to go get gelato. I just ate that chicken. Apart from that, I didn't eat anything.
that's not good. Because you need energy for the week.
I'm trying to preserve my weight.
Oh yeah? What weight?
Yeah, at my favorite gelato spot. Which one?
Want some scanner? You those
Do you want me to pick for you?
Yeah, that mix.
Okay. Okay, the last mix.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, if you want to get gelato, go for the pistachio and Oreos flavor, and you're going to thank me for the rest of your life. It's been such a wholesome day. I really had fun. That was so nice.
As we sip champagne, watching purple rain, bodies insane. How could you complain? Plus, I know you love my personality. I think I wanna go back to school and have my life full of pictures of you. So give me that A in biology.
They did this tiny, how cute is this? So lovely, eh? This I really need to unbox and just show you guys everything. Look at my vibrams, guys. Look at my vibrams. How cute, how cute. Then they gave us like this bottle of wine with champagne flutes, and they were like congratulating us. This is actually so cute. Dear and Salami, welcome to Malta. We're so happy to have you with us during a special moment with your big day just around the corner, blah 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 blah, blah whatever.
I've been having a lot of big feelings recently. Like, let me
It's gonna be a very nice evening with friends. We're gonna be hanging out, talking, catching up. My sister, that happened. My sister and her family are also gonna be walking with us. My brother, everybody's just gonna be hanging, vibing, chilling. Then we're gonna have dinner after. We're also gonna walk around Valleta. I'm looking forward to it, basically. And yeah, absolutely ready to step out. This is what I'm wearing. Do you guys like it? I am in love with this outfit. We look extremely tea.
Is that the right thing to do?
We should have actually waited.
When we are, how many hours late to Birgu?
We are in where? We're in Birgu.
I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama. Unless you come in with the
Yeah, like you have to stand in front of the door.
You want me?
It's so cute.
You know what I've to make it jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 fuck it up, up. You know what I've to make it jump, 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 jump.
Look at these beauties. Oh my gosh. See how nice they look. Oh my gosh.
Only gotta make a call and I'm here. Don't know wanna know your vibe, oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some kerosene in it. Biggest stitch up, I want you in the room. Wanna get deep, I serve it like a dealer. You been out there.
We're trying to enter the boat to Valleta. It's actually very, very cute. I can't wait to experience this. Let me show you. Guys, let me show you my view. Tilda, how do you feel?
Amazing, I love
Amazing.
it.
Send me the location, then I'll be right there. To make her come check you, my babe. No time, no. And my dog is on probation. Another 5 years. You bring girls to his location. No time.
I love the way you activate your hips and push your ass out. Got a brother wanting it so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about
Feel like you can just leave?
Yeah, I'm thinking we should go to Aki.
So, are we feeling red, white, herbal, fruity?
I think I would love to go for white.
White? Okay, period. I think we should go for 1919.
1919.
Yeah, it's made in
I
Malta.
have a dry joke.
It's dry.
I have a dry joke for a dry wine.
Tell me your dry joke.
You want me to have 1919, but I was
Born in 1997.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind, it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. My yeah, I really need time now. I need to free mind now.
Guys, I am running late and I just have to leave, but I can't leave without letting you guys see how I look and also talking to you guys. We're about to go start the day. I'm wearing this outfit that I think is so beautiful. I got it from Chale's store on IG. It's a Filipino brand, I guess. I think it's from Asia or something. I don't know. I will confirm, but I'll attach their page to this video. And then my bag is from ASOS. My bangles are Zara, etc, etc. Well, the bride is ready. The bride is ready to go party. You know, are you guys ready with me? We're going to be rocking today, so let's go party. Let's go have fun, the absolute fun of our lives. I love this fit. I feel like a princess. I feel like a bride, and that already heightened my mood. I'm on top of the world right now, so you know the vibe I'm on, right? You're getting it. Okay, then let's go. Let's keep that vibe till the end of the day.
No, I know that.
It was me. I chose it. Did I not? Guys, we're outside. Where are we?
We are in Malta. Wait, in Malta are we?
I don't fucking know, bro. See? Check your
Original, girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. With the for real, I'm pretty pa my cellular. No. You won't say you hot. No. What is the look?
Hi.
I'm afraid I don't know how. Cause there's a possibility that you won't love me. Won't love for me. Won't love for me. Won't love for me. I feel kalala. Ufigo manga me kalala. Manje nesiza sisana. Asi beba makola ngabane ujola mami. Ki no hasifala. Yap, ujola ba. Digi bang kone no jolo wa. Ujola mami. Ai manga melu yustagwa. Alanja bangana matala. I'm a kiss, I'm a consafana. Felis kole lulu baba. Shivirim, she. If you look book, this pussy can pay. So batele lo manga me. Yo.
Barbecue time.
No can get pose, Baba Fayo, don't die. I need to go and shayo. I need to go and shayo. I need to go and shayo. I need to go and shayo.
You're not keeping it up for the whole ceremony, yeah? Just for the moment, yeah. Just small lift, enough to show your face.
So
You look beautiful.
Should I go sit down?
You look beautiful.
Thank you, baby. I want something like 90s vibe.
I feel like this gold part is too.
I get what you want. You want the vintage vibe, not the
vintage vibe. I feel like this is pop star vibe.
When you lay on me, can you hear the way my heart breaks? I wanted you to have everything I never had. I'm so sorry, but I don't make you feel sad.
Bad day, a very anxious day. Very paranoid. Very stressed. I had a hangover.
Flowers falling.
I feel like today is the first day.
Just think
Just like, let me put my fingers cherish. Like, so confused. And I feel like I don't really know what to do.
Tell me, do you feel the way my past days? When you lay on me, can you hear the way my heart breaks? I wanted you to have everything I never had. I'm so sorry, but I don't make you feel sad.
Bad day, a very
10 out of 10. Minus nothing.
very paranoid. Very stressed. I had a hangover. So that helps.
Things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. 'Cause there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love.
Guys, I'm very tired. Tired is even an understatement. But I'm taking my nephew out for a date. Taking him out to, and I'm taking him out to a children restaurant. It's very nice. It's a very nice one in Malta. I promised him. They actually came for my civil wedding from the UK. So I promised him that before they go back to the UK, I was going to take him there. I had even promised him before he came, so that was the first thing. Oh, so that was like the first thing he said to me when he saw me. He asked for his toys because I also promised him toys. He asked for his toys, and never promised kids anything. Ready to go fulfill the promise I made to a 3-year-old kid. Promise I made. I'm gonna be using. I got this. Okay, so I'm using this sunscreen from Kodali. It's very nice and it leaves in white cast on a dark skin person, which is quite surprising because anytime I get a product that is not Nivea and it's a sunscreen, it leaves white cast on my skin, and this kind of surprised me. Anyways, let's use our lip liner. Can you see how dark it made my upper lip? This is MAC. It's eye pencil actually, not lip liner, but I made it because I want something that would darken my upper lips very well. That's why my cousin, who is a very professional makeup artist, said I should go for it, and I have not regretted it. My Fenty Beauty lip gloss in
called Glass Bomb Cream. Very nice. So I'm gonna use it here. I'm gonna use my Dior. It's clear. It's 001. My clear Dior lip gloss. And then I use it here. How lovely. Look. And that's it. That's what I'm seeing. Okay. It's just a matter of like combing my hair to the front. Okay. Yeah, to the front. Bangers. Machine. I have on my rings, but I forgot to use my hand cream, so I'm using this hand cream that I got from L'Occitane. Very nice. It's like one of my favorite ever. I love it. It has shea butter, and we now have a very shiny skin. Lastly, my ring. How do you guys do it? Like, do you wear, am I meant to wear both rings every day, or I can just wear one? I don't know. Still like trying to see. I think for now I'm just going to enjoy the moment. Guys, let's go out on a date with my cousin. I love what I'm seeing. Bye. See ya. So cute, I know. Look up. Yeah, say hi. Hi. The gorilla. Crazy. Look, oh, it's winking. Look up. You wanna go in? Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Hi guys, I'm starting to have hyperpigmentation in seeing stuff, so I ran, I didn't even walk to go get a pack of these annual face masks. I swear by them, they are very good, like very good. Let me show it to you. The way it hydrates me immediately I use it needs to be studied. Like, it is very hydrating. So I got a pack, it has 4 in it, and I want to use it with my man just to like bring the glow back to my face and see if it's going to even help me hydrate my face before I start thinking of an exfoliating serum or toner to use because of my hyperpigmentation. Good morning guys, how are you today? Hope you slept well. Yesterday was meant to be the day I would rest and edit, but I had to take my nephew out, you know, as you guys saw. Today I'm going to be able to rest a bit more, but I want to go get breakfast very soon. Then in the evening or late at night, we're going to the beach with everyone because my sister is going back tomorrow and we're also checking out of here tomorrow. So we're going to the beach just to sit down, relax, and have spent a bit of time with each other before the holiday day. So that's going to happen later this evening, but right now I just want to use this face mask, relax, and continue editing. And I just wanted to say good morning to you guys before I start my day. Guys, so we just checked out of the hotel. I really enjoyed my stay here. This was very good, very amazing. I recommend it 10 toes down. It's called Birgu, Malta. If you're in Malta, please come here. Like, their service is top notch. The room, the hotel itself, the amenities, so beautiful. I'll be coming back here so much. Like, I would miss it. I plan to. So guys.
I went pink rain. I went pink rain. I went caught me a grill.